Okay, this the one is you know, the return parcel. Yeah, it's there inside the box. Yeah, we didn't touch anything yet. Okay, so we just open it. Okay, see, use a knife to open. Okay, this the item. Okay. Okay. See, no cable. Yeah, no cable at all. Okay. Okay. This is the item. So, okay, this is the fan. Let's test it out. See got any issue or not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you see, no issue at all. Yeah, no issue at all. Okay. The cable is missing. The charging cable is missing. Okay. Okay. Wait. I use another cable. This is a power bank. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it's charging. Yeah, no issue at all. Yeah. No matter how you test it, no problem at all. Yeah. Okay.